Who authored the book Operation Sindoor, The Untold Story of India's Deep Strikes Inside Pakistan? Correct answer is option B, Lieutenant General KJS Dillon. Who is the author of the book Above and Beyond, released in October 2025? Correct answer is option C, Shiv Kumar Mohanka. Who is the author of the book Mother Mary Comes to Me? Correct answer is option C, Arundhati Roy. Who is the author of the book मैंने कैंसर को जीत लिया? Correct answer is option C, Dr. Vijay Anand Reddy. Who is the author of the book The Hitman, The Rohit Sharma Story? Correct answer is option A, R. Kaushik. Who is the author of the book Why the Constitution Matters? Correct answer is option A, D. Y. Chandrachud. The book Different but No Less is written by. Correct answer is option A, Anupam Khair. Who is the author of the book Wings of Valor? Correct answer is option B, Swapnil Pandey. Who is the author of the book AI on Trial? Correct answer is option D, Sujit Kumar and Tausif Alam. Who is the author of the book India's Finance Ministers, Different Strokes? Correct answer is option D, A.K. Bhattacharya. Who is the author of the book Mahatma Gandhi and the Environment? Correct answer is option A, T.N. Kushu. Who is the author of the book India at 2047, Leading the Global Economic Order? Correct answer is option D, S.P. Sharma. Who is the author of the book Modi's Niti Shastra, The World's His Oyster? Correct answer is option A, Adish C. Agrawal. Who is the author of the book Indira Gandhi and the Years That Transformed India? Correct answer is option B, Srinath Raghavan. Who is the author of the book Kashmir Insurgency, Deconstructing the State Response, Revisiting 1989 to 90? Correct answer is option B, Yoginder Kandhari. Who is the author of the book How India Scaled Mount G20, The Inside Story of the G20 Presidency? Correct answer is option D, Amitabh Kant. Who is the author of the book M.S. Swaminathan, The Man Who Fed India? Correct answer is option A, Priyambada Jayakumar. Who is the author of the book The Undying Light, A Personal History of Independent India? Correct answer is option B, Gopal Krishna Gandhi. Who is the author of the book 10 पैसे का postcard? Correct answer is option A, S.N. Ahmed. Who is the author of the book Ready, Relevant and Resurgent 2? Correct answer is option A, General Anil Chauhan. Who is the author of the recently launched book The World After Gaza? Correct answer is option B, Pankaj Mishra. Who is the author of the book Shivam Shubham, The Biography of a Couple? Correct answer is option B, B.K. Harinarayanan. Who is the author of the book Chola Tigers, The Avengers of Somnath in Chennai? Correct answer is option A, Amish Tripathi. Who wrote the book Living the Vivekanand Way? Correct answer is option C, Dr. Ananya Awasthi and Dr. Nikhil Yadav. Who is the author of the book Dominion and Dharma? Correct answer is option B, Vivek Singhal. Who is the author of the book Believer's Dilemma? Correct answer is option B, Abhishek Chaudhary. Which cricketer recently released his autobiography, The One, Cricket, My Life and More? Correct answer is option C, Shikhar Dhawan. Who is the author of the book Sustainable Wellness of Students, A Collective Responsibility in Higher Education? Correct answer is option A, Lata Pandey and Dr. Ramanand. Who is the author of the book Confessions of a Shakespeare Addict? Correct answer is option A. V.S. Ravi. Who is the author of the book Swasthya Ke Prahari? Correct answer is option A. Lalit Shaurya. Who published the book The Emergency Diaries Years That Forged a Leader? Correct answer is option A. Bluecraft Digital Foundation. Who is the author of the book Celebrating V.V. Kumar at 90? Correct answer is option A. Partap Ramchand. Who is the author of the book History That India Ignored? Correct answer is option D. Prem Prakash. Who is the author of the speeches featured in Wings to Our Hopes Volume 2? Correct answer is option B. President Draupadi Murmu. Who is the author of the book Varalaru Kurum Tamil Nadu Kasugal? Correct answer is option A. Thangam Thennarasu and Arumuga Sitaraman. Who is the author of the book A Different Kind of Power? Correct answer is option A. Jacinda Ardern. Who is the author of the book Bring It On, The Incredible Story of My Life? Correct answer is option B. Deepa Malik. Who is the author of the book Parliament, Powers, Functions and Privileges, A Comparative Constitutional Perspective? Correct answer is option A. Dr. Karn Singh Chauhan. Who is the author of the book Wild Fictions? Correct answer is option B. Amitav Ghosh. Who is the author of the book Soumitra Chatterjee and His World? Correct answer is option A. Sangamitra Chakraborty. Who is the author of the book I Am a Soldier's Wife, The Life and Love of Tony Leader? Correct answer is option C. Geetika Lidder. Who is the author of the book Life on Mars Collected Stories? Correct answer is option C. Namita Gokhale. Who is the author of the book Diya Salai? Correct answer is option A. Kailash Satyarthi. Who is the author of the book She for Her? Correct answer is option B. Rashmi Trivedi. Who is the author of the book Private Revolutions? Correct answer is option D. Yuan Yang. Who is the author of the book Prapanch Charitra? Correct answer is option B. Daggubati Venkateshwar Rao. Who is the author of the book Leo, The Untold Story? Correct answer is option A. P.S. Raman. Who is the author of the book March of Glory? Correct answer is option C. K. Arumugam and Errol D. Cruz. Who is the author of the book Memories and Milestones? Correct answer is option C. V. Shriram and Lashman. Who is the author of the book To the Seventh Generation? Correct answer is option A. Dr. V.I. Mathan. Who published the book Ripples of Change Gender Transformative Rural Wash Programs in India? Correct answer is option B. Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation and UNICEF India. Who is the author of the book A Thousand Threads? Correct answer is option A. Nene Cherry. Who is the author of the book Buransh, The Fragrance of Worlds? Correct answer is option A. Anupama Sharma. Who is the author of the book The India I Saw? Correct answer is option B. S. Ambujammal. Who is the author of the book The Story of a Heart? Correct answer is option D. Rachel Clark. Who is the author of the book संस्कृति का पांचवा अध्याय? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी डॉक्टर प्रभात ओझा. Who is the author of the book The Chief Minister and the Spy? Correct answer is option B Amarjeet Singh Dulat. Who is the author of the book Raising Hair? Correct answer is option B Chloe Dalton. India 5000 Years of History on the Subcontinent is written by. Correct answer is option A, Audrey Thrushk. Who is the author of the book Agent Zoe? Correct answer is option A, Claire Muley. Who is the author of the book Mere Achhe Din, released by Himachal Pradesh CM Sukhu in April 2025? Correct answer is option C, Hari Singh Rana. Who is the author of the book What the Wild Sea Can Be? Correct answer is option C, Helen Scales. Which ministry released the book I Am Circular Coffee Table Book? Correct answer is option A, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Who is the author of the book Careless Pupil, a cautionary tale of power, greed, and lost idealism? Correct answer is option A, Sarah Wynne Williams. Who is the author of the book Beyond the Courtroom? Correct answer is option A, Fali S. Nariman. Who is the author of the book Ramanujan, Journey of a Great Mathematician? Correct answer is option D, Arun Singhal and Devendra Kumar Sharma. Who is the author of the book The Stars Light the Way? Correct answer is option A, Sucheta Raj Khanna. Who is the author of the book जनता की कहानी मेरी आत्मकथा? Correct answer is option B, Bandaru Dattatreya. Who is the author of the book प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना अर्बन कॉफी टेबल बुक? Correct answer is option A, IAS Zalio Rio. Who is the author of the book Original Sin? Correct answer is option B, Jack Tapper and Alex Thompson. Who released her memoir They Will Shoot You, Madam? Correct answer is option B, Harinder Baweja. Who is the author of the book Demography, Representation, Delimitation? Correct answer is option A, Ravi K. Mishra. Who is the author of the book Rocket Dreams? Correct answer is option C, Christian Davenport. Who is the author of the book The Pan Tales from Kashmir's Conflict? Correct answer is option D, Ipsita Chakravarti. Who is the author of the book Dalai Lama's Secret to Happiness? Correct answer is option D, Dr. Dinesh Shahara. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index 2025 published in October? Correct answer is option A, 85th. What is India's rank in the latest released Climate Change Performance Index 2026? Correct answer is option B, 23rd. What is India's rank in the Global Innovation Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, 38th. What is India's rank in the Global Hunger Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, 102nd. What is India's rank in the Global Gender Gap Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, 131st. Which country has topped the World Talent Ranking 2025? Correct answer is option A, Switzerland. Which city ranked first in the National Annual Report and Index 2025 on women's safety? Correct answer is option D, Kohima. What is India's rank in the Global Peace Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, 115th. What is India's rank among 147 countries in the World Happiness Report 2025? Correct answer is option B, 118th. Which Indian city ranked highest in the Global AI City Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, Bengaluru. What is India's rank in the UN Sustainable Development Goals Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 99th. Which Indian city ranked highest in the Smart City Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 151. Which airport topped the World Airport Rankings 2025? Correct answer is option B, Singapore Changi Airport. Which state topped the India Justice Report 2025? Correct answer is option C, Karnataka. What is India's rank in the Human Development Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, 130th. Which Indian institute topped the QS World University Rankings 2026? Correct answer is option C, IIT Delhi. Who launched the second edition of the Northeastern Region District SDG Index 2023-24? Correct answer is option C, Niti Aayog. What was India's rank in the 2025 Future of Free Speech Index released by the US based think tank The Future of Free Speech? Correct answer is option B, 24th. What is India's rank in the Global Firepower Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, 4th. What is India's rank in the Corruption Perceptions Index 2024 released in February 2025? Correct answer is option B, 96th. Which state has topped the Panchayat Devolution Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, Karnataka. What is the rank of India in the Global AI Investment 2025 as per UNCTAD Technology and Innovation Report 2025? Correct answer is option C, 10th. What is India's rank in the QS World Future Skills Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 25th. What is India's rank in the Climate Risk Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, 6th. What is India's rank among 163 countries in the Global Terrorism Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 14th. Which state has topped the Fiscal Health Index 2025 released by Niti Aayog? Correct answer is option D, Odisha. Which Indian university secured the top position in the Times Higher Education Asia University Rankings 2025? Correct answer is option D, IISc Bengaluru. What is the rank of India in the World Air Quality Report 2024? Correct answer is option D, 5th. Which Indian brand was ranked as the most valuable in the Brand Finance Global 500 report 2025? Correct answer is option C, Tata Group. What is India's rank in the Energy Transition Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, 71. What is the rank of India in Network Readiness Index 2024? Correct answer is option C, 49th. What was India's rank in the US Green Building Council's 2024 Global Lead Green Buildings list? Correct answer is option C, 3rd. Who released the 6th edition of the State Energy Efficiency Index 2024? Correct answer is option B, Bureau of Energy Efficiency. What is India's rank in the International Intellectual Property Index 2025 released by US Chambers of Commerce? Correct answer is option D, 43rd. What is India's rank in the Global Soft Power Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, 30th. According to the Asia Power Index 2025, which country became Asia's third most powerful nation? Correct answer is option B, India. What is India's rank in the Future Possibilities Index 2024? Correct answer is option B, 35th. What is India's rank in the Rule of Law Index 2024? Correct answer is option D, 79th. Who publishes the Global Multidimensional Poverty Index? Correct answer is option A, United Nations Development Programme and the Oxford Poverty and Human Development Initiative. What is the rank of India in the AI Preparedness Index 2024? Correct answer is option C, 72. Which Indian university ranked highest in the QS Asia Rankings 2025? Correct answer is option B, IIT Delhi. Which state topped the first Panchayat Advancement Index for 2022-23 with the highest number of front runner Gram Panchayats? Correct answer is option C, Gujarat. What is the rank of India in the Global Nature Conservation Index 2024? Correct answer is option D, 176. What is India's rank in the Hurun Global Unicorn Index 2025 with 64 unicorns? Correct answer is option C, third. What is the rank of India in the Global Cybersecurity Index 2024? Correct answer is option B, Tier 1. Which state topped the State Food Safety Index 2024? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. What rank New Delhi and Mumbai gets in the Global Livability Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, 141. What is the rank of India in the World Competitiveness Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, 41. Which country topped the Global Innovation Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, Switzerland. What is India's rank in UNCTAD's Global Readiness for Frontier Technologies Index? Correct answer is option C, 36. Where was the second World Summit for Social Development held in November 2025? Correct answer is option A, Doha, Qatar. Where was the G20 Leaders Summit 2025 held in November? Correct answer is option D, Johannesburg, South Africa. Which country hosted the World Health Summit 2025? Correct answer is option B, Germany. Where was the 25th SCO Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Tianjin, China. Where was India Mobile Congress 2025 held in October? Correct answer is option C, Yashobhumi, New Delhi. Where was the 11th World Green Economy Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Where was the United Nations Climate Change Conference 2025 held in November? Correct answer is option C, Belém, Brazil. Which ministry launched the Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025? Correct answer is option D, Ministry of Education. Where was the National Conference on Land and Disaster Management 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Where was the first global conference on manuscript heritage held in September? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Where was the 68th Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference held in October 2025? Correct answer is option D, Barbados. Where was the first BIMSTEC Traditional Music Festival, Saptasur, held in August 2025? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Where was the 28th National Conference on E-Governance held? Correct answer is option B, Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Where was the IUCN World Conservation Congress 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Who organized the 11th India Mass Summit 2025 held in New Delhi? Correct answer is option A, FICCI and IIMR. Where was the Semicon India 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Where was the 7th Future Food Forum 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Where was the 17th BRICS Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Where was the first ever Armed Forces National Conference, SHAPE 2025, organized in July? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Which country hosted the 51st G7 summit in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Canada. Where was the Quad Foreign Ministers meeting 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Washington DC, USA. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held in April? Correct answer is option D, Bangkok, Thailand. Which country hosted the ASEAN Summit 2025? Correct answer is option C, Malaysia. Where was the World Food India 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Which country was the host of the NATO Summit 2025 held in June? Correct answer is option A, Netherlands. Where was the UN Ocean Conference 2025 held in June? Correct answer is option C, Nice, France. Where was the Indian Conservation Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Where was 353rd Governing Body meeting of the International Labour Organization held? Correct answer is option A, Geneva, Switzerland. Where was the International Conference on Glaciers Preservation held in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Dushanbe, Tajikistan. Where was the second Istri Summit 2025 on women's safety and empowerment held? Correct answer is option A, Hyderabad. Where did the World Air Transport Summit take place in June 2025? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Where was 11th BRICS Parliamentary Forum 2025 held in June? Correct answer is option C, Brasilia, Brazil. Where was the Bharat Calling Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Mumbai. Where was the 8th Indian Ocean Conference held in February 2025? Correct answer is option C, Muscat, Oman. Where was Asia International Security Summit and Expo held in January 2025? Correct answer is option A, Putrajaya, Malaysia. Where was the Controllers Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Where was the fourth meeting of the India Central Asia Dialogue held in June 2025? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Which country was the host of the 10th edition of Raisina Dialogue 2025? Correct answer is option D, India. Where was 69th session of the United Nations Commission on the Status of Women held? Correct answer is option B, New York. Where was the first World Audiovisual Entertainment Summit 2025 held in May? Correct answer is option A, Mumbai. Where was Global Investor Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Bhopal. Where was Global Justice, Love and Peace Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Dubai. Where was the first international conference on carbon markets, Prakriti 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Where was the ninth edition of the Global Technology Summit held in April 2025? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Where was the Artificial Intelligence Action Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Paris, France. Where was World Sustainable Development Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Which country hosted the first regional social justice dialogue in February 2025? Correct answer is option D, India. Where was the inaugural Raisina Middle East Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Where was the fourth No Money for Terror conference held? Correct answer is option B, Munich, Germany. Where was the Seoul Leadership Conclave 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. Who inaugurated GridCon 2025, the international conference cum exhibition on 9th March 2025? Correct answer is option C, Manohar Lal Khattar. Who represented India at the Mobile World Congress 2025 in Barcelona, Spain? Correct answer is option C, Jyotiraditya M. Scindia. Which city was the host of international art exhibition Topographies of Tents, Terracotta and Time? Correct answer is option A, Hyderabad. Which city was the host of inaugural All India Transgender Conference held in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ajmer, Rajasthan. Where was the World Government Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Dubai. Where was the annual conference of the International Institute of Administrative Science 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Where was the World Hydrogen Summit 2025 held in May? Correct answer is option B, Rotterdam, Netherlands. Which country was the host of Youth Council Entrepreneurship Working Group meeting in 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. Where was the 58th annual meeting of the Board of Governors of the Asian Development Bank held? Correct answer is option A, Milan, Italy. Where was Asia's premier food and beverage trade exhibition Indus Food 2025 held in January? Correct answer is option D, Greater Noida, India. Where was the second BIMSTEC expert group meeting on cybersecurity cooperation hosted by India? Correct answer is option D, New Delhi. Where was the Gujarat Semiconnect Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Gandhinagar. Which operation has India launched to provide humanitarian assistance and relief to Sri Lanka in November 2025? Correct answer is option B, Operation Sagar Bandhu. What is the name of the operation launched by India on 7th May 2025 in retaliation to the Pahalgam terror attack? Correct answer is option C, Operation Sindoor. What is the name of the operation launched by India to evacuate its nationals from Iran and Israel in June 2025? Correct answer is option C, Operation Sindhu. Under which operation did the CBI launch a crackdown on organized cybercrime and digital fraud? Correct answer is option D, Operation Chakra 5. Who launched Operation Rising Lion against Iran's nuclear program? Correct answer is option D, Israel. What was the name of the operation launched by Ukraine in Russia on 1st June 2025? Correct answer is option A, Operation Spider Web. Which agency conducted Operation Fire Trail? Correct answer is option B, Directorate of Revenue Intelligence. What was the name of the operation launched in the Kairan sector of Jammu and Kashmir in November 2025? Correct answer is option C, Operation Pimple. Which operation did security forces launch against Naxalism on the Chhattisgarh-Telangana border in May 2025? Correct answer is option A, Operation Black Forest. What was the name of the operation launched by Iran to retaliate against Israel? Correct answer is option B, Operation True Promise 3. Which country launched the military operation Bunyan al-Marsus against India? Correct answer is option C, Pakistan. What was the name of the operation in May 2025 that involved a civil security mock drill in western border states? Correct answer is option A, Operation Shield. Which country launched Operation Gideon Chariots in the Gaza Strip in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Israel. The operation Sard Hawa has conducted by which armed force in the western border of Rajasthan? Correct answer is option A, BSF, Border Security Force. Which operation was launched by security forces to ensure the smooth and safe conduct of the Amarnath Yatra? Correct answer is option A, Operation Shiva. Which Indian state launched Operation Conviction to crack down on sexual harassment and illegal religious conversion? Correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. In which region did Operation Bandi Chocolate take place, where the Indian Air Force assisted in firefighting efforts? Correct answer is option B, Nainital, Uttarakhand. Which country carried out Operation Midnight Hammer targeting Iran's nuclear sites? Correct answer is option D, USA, United States of America. Which Indian state launched Operation Kala Nemi against fake cents? Correct answer is option A, Uttarakhand. What is the name of the joint humanitarian relief operation recently carried out by the Assam Rifles and the Indian Air Force in Manipur? Correct answer is option C, Operation Sahyog. Where was Operation Nadir launched by the Indian Army in May 2025? Correct answer is option A, Kupwara, Jammu and Kashmir. Which authority has recently launched Operation Swarn to restore and protect Swarnamukhi River? Correct answer is option A, Tirupati Urban Development Authority. What is the name of India's relief and rescue operation launched to assist earthquake hit Myanmar? Correct answer is option C, Operation Brahma. Where was Operation Akhal carried out by the Indian Armed Forces in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Kulgam. What is the name of initiative launched by Ministry of Home Affairs to eradicate Naxalism and Maoist ideology? Correct answer is option D, Operation Kagar. Which country launched Operation Bashar al-Fatah in response to the US Operation Midnight Hammer? Correct answer is option A, Iran. Which force launched Operation Alert along the Rajasthan border? Correct answer is option C, Border Security Force. What is the name of the recent counter-infiltration operation conducted by the Indian Army in Baramulla district? Correct answer is option C, Operation Tikka. Where was Operation Keller conducted by the Indian Army in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sofian district, Jammu and Kashmir. Under which operation was the mastermind of the Pahalgam terror attack neutralized in July 2025? Correct answer is option A, Operation Mahadev. Under which operation has the DRI been cracking down on drug trafficking syndicates? Correct answer is option B, Operation Weed Out. Under which operation did the DRI seize nearly 9 kg of narcotics in Dallas Mehrauli area? Correct answer is option D, Operation Rambo. Operation Bihali was conducted by the Indian Army in which region? Correct answer is option B, Jammu and Kashmir. Under which operation did India provide humanitarian aid to Myanmar, Laos, and Vietnam affected by Typhoon Yagi in September 2024? Correct answer is option C, Operation Sadbhav. Under which operation is the Indian Army conducting flood relief in Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, and Jammu and Kashmir? Correct answer is option B, Operation Rahat. Which operation was launched by the Indian Coast Guard to protect olive ridley turtles? Correct answer is option C, Operation Olivia. What is the name of the operation launched by Uttarakhand Police for the smooth conduct of the Kedarnath Yatra in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Operation Maryada. What is the name of the evacuation mission launched by India to rescue its citizens during the 2022 Russia-Ukraine conflict? Correct answer is option B, Operation Ganga. What is the name of the evacuation mission launched by India to bring back its citizens from Afghanistan in 2021? Correct answer is option D, Operation Devi Shakti. What is the name of India's disaster relief operation launched to assist earthquake hit regions of Turkey and Russia in 2023? Correct answer is option C, Operation Dost. Which Indian ship is representing India at Exercise Malabar 2025 in Guam, USA? Correct answer is option D, INS Sahyadri. Where was India-Australia Joint Military Exercise Austrahin 2025 conducted? Correct answer is option C, Perth, Australia. Exercise Ajaya Warrior is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Correct answer is option D, United Kingdom. Where was the 6th India-Vietnam military exercise BIMBEX 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Hanoi, Vietnam. The fifth edition of the bilateral maritime exercise Samudra Shakti was conducted between which two countries? Correct answer is option B, India and Indonesia. What is the name of the tri-services military exercise conducted in India's western frontier in October 2025? Correct answer is option D, Operation Trishul. Which Indian ship arrived at Bushan Naval Harbor, South Korea, for the first naval exercise between India and South Korea in October 2025? Correct answer is option B, INS Sahyadri. Exercise Konkan 25 is a bilateral naval exercise between which two countries? Correct answer is option C, India and United Kingdom. Where was the 14th edition of the India-Thailand bilateral military exercise Maitri 2025 held in September? Correct answer is option C, Umroi, Meghalaya. Where was the coastal security exercise Sagar Kavach conducted? Correct answer is option C, Gujarat and Daman and Diu. The 12th edition of the Joint Special Forces exercise Khanjar was conducted between which countries? Correct answer is option A, India and Kyrgyzstan. What is the name of the bilateral maritime exercise conducted between Singapore and India in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Simbex 25. Where was the 14th edition of the bilateral naval exercise Indira 2025 between India and Russia conducted? Correct answer is option B, Chennai. Where was the 12th edition of the India-Sri Lanka naval exercise Silinex 25 conducted? Correct answer is option D, Colombo. The 8th edition of the joint military exercise Shakti was conducted between which two countries from 18th June to 1st July 2025? Correct answer is option C, India and France. Where was the 17th edition of the India-Mongolia joint military exercise Nomadic Elephant held? Correct answer is option A, Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. Where was the 14th edition of the India-Singapore joint military exercise Bold Kurukshetra 2025 conducted? Correct answer is option B, Jodhpur, Rajasthan. What is the name of the joint sea exercise conducted at Chennai port between the Indian Coast Guard and the Japanese Coast Guard? Correct answer is option B, Jamata. Which edition of the India-France bilateral naval exercise Varuna was held in 2025? Correct answer is option C, 23rd. Where was the 13th edition of the India-Maldives joint military exercise Equivarian held? Correct answer is option B, Maldives. Which corps of the Indian Army conducted exercise Drone Kavach 2025? Correct answer is option C, Spear Corps. Where was the first India-Greece maritime exercise conducted? Correct answer is option D, Mediterranean Sea. Where did the United States, South Korea, and Japan kick off their joint air and naval exercise Freedom Edge? Correct answer is option A, near Jeju Island, South Korea. In which multinational exercise did INS Nistar participate in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Pacific Ridge 2025, also known as XPR 25. For which joint multilateral military exercise has the Indian Armed Forces contingent departed for Russia in September 2025? Correct answer is option B, Zapad 2025. Where was exercise Bright Star 2025 conducted? Correct answer is option D, Egypt. What is the name of the cyber security training exercise launched by the Defense Cyber Agency in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Cyber Suraksha. Which two air forces participated in the Tiger Claw exercise in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Indian Air Force and US Air Force. Which two organizations conducted exercise Rahat? Correct answer is option B, Indian Army and National Disaster Response Force. Where did the Indian Army contingent arrive to participate in exercise Conquest 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. What is the name of the major military drill conducted by the Indian Air Force simulating attacks on mountain and ground targets? Correct answer is option A, Exercise Akraman. Where has the Indian Air Force deployed a contingent to participate in exercise Desert Flag 10? Correct answer is option A, Al Dhafra Air Base, United Arab Emirates. Where was the 6th edition of exercise Dustlik held in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Foreign Training Node on Pune. Which country hosted the multinational exercise in Yokos 25? Correct answer is option B, Greece. Where was exercise Prachand Prahar conducted in March 2025? Correct answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Where was the Sea Dragon 2025 naval exercise held? Correct answer is option A, off the coast of Guam, Western Pacific Ocean. Where was exercise Jal Thal Raksha 2025 conducted? Correct answer is option D, Bet Dwarka, Gujarat. Where was the 6th edition of exercise Dharma Guardian 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Mount Fuji, Japan. Which two countries participate in the Joint Special Forces exercise Cyclone 3 in 2025? Correct answer is option B, India and Egypt. Which two countries participate in the joint military exercise Surya Kiran? Correct answer is option B, India and Nepal. What is the name of the major military exercise conducted from 16th January to 19th January 2025 led by the Indian Army? Correct answer is option B, Exercise Devil Strike. Where was the Indian Army's Prachand Shakti tech demonstration held? Correct answer is option B, Khalga Corps Field Training Area, Meerut. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Which Indian ship is representing India at exercise Malabar 2025? Question number second is, what is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index 2025 published in October? Where was the G20 Leaders Summit 2025 held in November? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.